Let's do this. My first ever meetup has been amazing. From the first couple of days when I arrived. I'm going to be here multiple days, so I'll have multiple opportunities to kind of explore, but just checking out the park, it seems like they've got a lot of sites here. There's some nice mature tree growth. I'm fascinated to see what it's going to be like with all of the Travatos here over the next couple of days. Hello? Hey! How are you? How you doing? To all of the presentations from different folks. What'd you think about Winnebago here?
I loved having them here. I mean, I think it means a lot to all of us as Winnebago owners to know that they care enough to come all the way cross country to talk to us. And I think that's one big reason I wanted to get a Winnebago Travato, because of the support system and that they listen and they want to get better.
To some of the amazing van tours, this has been a blast. Wow. This is the crew I'm learning how to play this game with. They're crazy. Game night turned out to be really fun. I forget the name of the game that I learned how to play, but like 5 crowns or something like that. So it was cool, fun to be a part of the Travato Nation game group, I guess. Day 2 now, officially in the books. Tomorrow, big day. I gotta cook for everybody. So after my presentation and sharing my new shakshuka recipe with the group, it was time for our final potluck of the event. It is almost time now to go to the potluck, and for the potluck, I am making paella. So we're gonna take all of this and turn it into paella like this. Voila, here is the paella. So the potluck and the paella were a success. I have a little extra, so I'll have that for dinner. They're going to do another game night. I'll go down and spend a little time there, and then the big checkout is for tomorrow. So this may be it for tonight. I don't know. We'll see how game night goes, and then we'll double check and finish up everything tomorrow. Woo-hoo! Off to the final meeting of this event. It's been a great event. I think we're just going to ask or answer some questions about the overall time here, and it was a great time. Well, the 2025 P&W Winnebago Travato Owners and Wannabe Meetup here in Elum is officially over. I had a blast all weekend long. I definitely will come to this again if the organizers next year have something. You know, for me, the best part about everything was meeting everybody, spending some time learning about a lot of different things about Travatos, how people travel. It was just a nice, chance to be a part of a community. So I just want to say thank you to everybody who came and who watched this video. A special thanks to Whispering Pines RV Campground. They were great hosts. Check them out if you can. And most importantly, thanks to Janet and Ria for organizing everything. This was truly a special weekend. Hey, that's going to do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me all over social media at RVJedeye. And then, of course, you can always follow me on my website at rvjedeye.com. Get out there, travel to a meetup, try one of them in your area. I think you'll really enjoy it, and you'll meet some great people and have some great memories. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.